friends, how are you doing all? This is my new channel and I welcome you all to the channel GlobalRD. Um, I'm sure you're all doing well and I'm also doing well. I'm very much excited about opening this channel and I'm sure you'll also keep liking once I keep on posting videos. But let me tell you guys why I'm so curious of starting this channel. Um, Let me tell you one thing. I mean, I'm a vlogger and I really love traveling, but I never started vlogging. This is the first time I'm going to be, shoot wherever I go, and that's the beginning. Just I wanted to start. Now, let me tell you. I mean, I just have started. I mean, traveling is my passion, but I started my traveling starting from 2011, and then since last 10 years, I have traveled not less than around 21, 22 countries across the globe. And my initial journey, I started. I mean, I started with a trip which I really prepared on my own. I booked all those hotels, I booked the air tickets, where to go, what to eat, where to visit, and everything I did. And we started our first international journey, starting with Bangkok, Pattaya, which is actually situated in Thailand, and then we traveled to Bali. Bali is one of the fantastic destinations of Indonesia, and then we traveled to Kuala Lumpur, and then we came back. It was just a trip of 10, 11 days, but it was awesome, and that was just the beginning. Then starting from 2013, I started living out of India, and the first country I landed, that was Tanzania. The capital of Tanzania was Dar es Salaam, and it was just awesome. I spent there around 6 months' time. Then I moved to El Salvador, and San Salvador, I mean, is the capital of El Salvador, which is situated in the Central America region, and it was just awesome. Another country to explore. I spent there around 6 months' time. Again, I came back to Africa. I started living in Tanzania, and then I moved to Kenya. I started living in Nairobi, and then started traveling almost 6 and 7 countries of Africa. I mean, I started traveling with Nigeria, Ghana, Mozambique, Rwanda, Uganda, Botswana, South Africa. In 2017, I visited South Africa with my best friends, and we spent around there 10, 11 days. Out of 10, 11 days, around 7, 8 days, we traveled by road. We drove around 3,000 kilometers. We started from the Cape Town, then we visited Simon Town, then we went to place of Good Hope. Then we visited Harmonious, Nisnia, then stopped our journey at Port Elizabeth, and next morning we took a flight, traveled up to Joburg, and from there we took another car and then traveled to Kruger National Park. And I tell you, boss, Kruger National Park is such a big national park. I mean, it's having a length of around 400, 450 kilometers with a width of around 65 to 70 kilometers. And the South African government, they demand that they have the highest number of lions over there. They say around 600 plus lions, but unfortunately it was just the end of the rainy season. There was a savanna grass out of the west side, and we are so unlucky, we really didn't see a single lion. Though we encountered with the cheetah, we encountered with a lot of elephants, but lion, no way. So that's the way we started traveling. And then in 2018, I visited Europe. I visited around 4 or 5 countries, starting with Netherlands. Then I visited Germany, Switzerland, France, and to some extent Austria. But I really liked all those. Then suddenly it came up on my mind. I mean, whatever the traveling I did around, say, 22 countries. Every time I just travel for myself, and always exploring new countries is always fantastic, because whenever you travel to a new country, you get to meet a lot of people, their culture, their food, their different attire, their different behavior, and then you mix up with your culture with them, and then it becomes awesome. So I did it for the last 10 years, but for last 2 or 3 months I have been watching a lot of YouTube channels, and there I saw there are many Indian guys, those who have been traveling around the world, and they are making a YouTube vlog, which really inspired me. And I tell you guys, I really consider them. They're my gurus. I mean, they are around 19 years old, 20 years old, like Garima, like Nomad Shubham, like Traveling Desi. I mean, he's, I think, in mid mid 30, and then Varun is there, he's probably also in mid 30. But when I kept watching their videos, I really find them super exciting. Then I thought of, if they can do, why can't me? I already have started traveling since last 10 years, but never done this before. So in that way, my dreaming start coming up. So this is the channel, first time I'm posting this video. I'm sure with the subsequent uploading videos on different traveling, it's not about the traveling blog, I tell you, but most of the time you'll find on the travel blog. But at the same time, when I stayed out of my home country, I mean, I lived alone for 7 years, so the situation also forced me to learn how to cook food on your own. So definitely I'll keep on show you that how to cook a food, and I can give you around say 10 12 different fantastic tastes of Indian origin. So I'm sure you'll love it. But at the same time, we'll be talking about the world economics, world problem, psychological behavior, sales, this stuff, everything, whatever I have learned for the last 22 years. So this is just the beginning, and I'm sure you guys, if this is the first video, I'm very much a camera shy guy, never done this before. So any kind of mistakes I have made in this video, please forgive me. Just adjust and have patience and keep seeing my energy. I'm sure that energy will be much more in my subsequent videos, but it will be just the beginning that I would like to start with the starting of a new YouTube channel. So guys, please be safe, stay safe, take care of your family members, and keep watching my channel. And if you really like this video, more or less okay, just like, subscribe my channel, keep sharing. Thank you so much. Cheers.